Thanks for taking me out to dinner, Junior.
No problem. Anything for you, my little spooky. Me here see this place real nice. You see anything you want to eat?
I'll have the shrimp pasta, please.
Why, your chest high, man. You lucky say me like you. Because that dear.
Dear? I never said dear. I said shrimp pasta.
What? No, not dear. You know what? Never mind. Good thing you're pretty. Junior, you really come out the house, thieving money for take girl come a restaurant? Mommy, would I pay you back? Pay me back with what? With the nose book over there up in your nose? You too little bit enough, Junior. You too little bit enough. And who that girl ya? Mavis, Junior, what are you doing here?
Daddy?
Daddy? Titus, why shall I call you daddy? You have an expect name we never know about?
Yes, this is Juliet, my first daughter from my first marriage. She lives abroad.
Abroad? Where that there?
Foreign, Mavis, foreign. She's here for the summer. I was finally going to introduce her to Junior, but look like they already met.
That means Junior's my brother? Yuck!